Hey guys, this is CJ Hen here. Today we are playing nothing actually. We're actually outside. Oh, good. We're actually outside right now. And let's go look at some ducks. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at these ducks. Look at all those ducks. Oh my gosh, look at all the ducks. Look at all the ducks. Oh my gosh, all of the ducks are everywhere. Oh, the ducks are taking over the world. The ducks. Why the ducks? The ducks. Do, do, do. Look, all of them are albino. They're all albino ducks. Let's go look at it. Hi guys, it's Bear Grylls here, and today we have found some albino ducks. Oh my gosh, there they are. Let's go. We better run away before they spot us. Oh my, look at all of those ducks fly away. That was a great hunting today, guys. Good job. Let's go look for some more in the wild jungle. Let's go. Oh, guys, be very quiet. It's so dark. There we go. Guys, be very quiet. Ooh. We need to look for some more. Oh my gosh. Wow, my head. Let's go out here, guys. We're going to be very quiet. Oh God. There we go. They're out of the world. Oh God. There we go, guys. We are out of the wild forest. Everybody hide. Look at those ducks. Look at the ducks. Look, there's more albino ducks down here. Let's go. Look at them. Look at all of them. Oh, we got a duck here. Look at that duck waddling its tail. Okay, yeah, that was me trying to hunt some ducks, guys. Leave a comment in the below if you liked that duck hunting, and I'll do some more. Okay, let's go search. Let's go. Where should we go, guys? Where should we go? No, we can't go in there. But we can jump over it. Ready? Hashtag. Oh, dude, did you see that? I'll do it again. Ready? Yeah. Let's go try to do some more parkour. Okay. Let's go. Parkour off the tree. Do you see that parkour, bro? That was epic. Go. Don't think you guys could see that, but I'm gonna not do that ever again. Building, other building, other building, tree. I might be able to climb this tree with one hand because I'm holding you guys. Oh, I was super close to that branch. No, guess we can't. Oh, I'm blind. You guys, can you guys guide me? Oh, thank you. You got me to this tree. Let's go to the other tree. Hello, tree. Touch this tree. touched the tree with me. Good job, you touched the tree. You get the achievement of, you touched that tree. Good job. Okay. Well, looks like it's going to be that for the video, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, most of all, comment what you want us to do next. Goodbye, guys. See you in the next video.